Yo, what's going on? Welcome back. So in this video, I want to discuss what I believe makes Tesla such a great investment. Before we begin, I want everybody to quickly subscribe to the channel, tap the notification bell. That way you guys can be notified of all the latest videos as soon as they drop. And with that, let's get into it. What makes Tesla such a great investment? So first, solar and batteries. Solar and batteries give people the fundamental freedom of sustainably producing their own energy for themselves and others if they choose, rather than relying on large third-party corporations who are likely to line their own pockets and raise prices, or may even be unable to provide the necessary energy for the public in the time of an emergency. Next, we have the Optimus Bot. Now, obviously, this can increase productivity. If you have more intelligent hands available at your disposal, you're able to get more stuff done. You're able to get more things produced. This is overall good for the economy, right? This would also decrease inflation. The reason is because now you have more products available, which would decrease the prices of those products rather than raising the prices when there's a shortage of products available. I also think that this would ensure economic growth now and into the future. If there were ever to come a time when humans were unable to navigate around the earth freely and or relatively safely, such as, extreme cold or extreme heat, whatever the case may be, Optimus would be able to step in and carry out the necessary tasks to ensure humanity's survival. So I think that the Optimus Bot is a very, very underrated product that Tesla has coming, but it's something that is an extremely bullish reason to invest in the company. Next, we have manufacturing, and I think this one kind of speaks for itself. You have robots building robots, being the factory robots building Optimus Bot. Then you have robots fixing robots, which would be the Optimus Bot fixing the factory robots if they were to ever break down or there to be any reason for them to be not functioning properly. And then next, you would have robots building structures for robots building or fixing robots, right? So this would be that you have Optimus Bots building the structure, the factory for those robots that they also could build, the factory robots that would then build more Optimus robots. So you see, this is sort of like a self-fulfilling prophecy, so to speak, the butterfly effect, if you will. I think you see my point here, and if you don't, go take the time to check out Avengers: Age of Ultron. Lastly, what makes Tesla such a great investment, in my opinion, is the man himself, Elon Musk. This guy is an absolute visionary. He pushes the boundaries of what was previously thought to be impossible and is now making it a reality. He's created a clearly defined path forward, and it just requires simple execution. He's also the ultimate entrepreneur. He's created multiple multi-billion-dollar companies and one other trillion-dollar company for, I don't know, I guess it's cars or something. Now, the only bad thing about Elon, in my opinion, is that he's only here for a limited time. Just like the rest of us, this man's here for a good time, not a long time. And I think it's important that we, really take the time to help support his mission, or at the very least, find a way to get out of his way. Allow him to move and do the things that he does, because he's doing things for humanity as a whole. I've followed the man for more than 10 years now, and I think that he truly does have good intentions at heart. So that's what I think, but what do you think? Is there anything that makes Tesla a good investment that I may have missed? I want to quickly note, for those of you paying attention, I not once in this video made reference to Tesla as a good investment because of their cars. And why is this? Why do you think I would purposely not mention the one thing that Tesla is most known for, being electric vehicles? Comment below and let me know what you think, or come follow me on Twitter at HeyYoWilly, and let's have the discussion over there. That's it for this one. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like and subscribe. Don't forget, tap the bell. That way you can be notified of all the latest videos as soon as they drop. I'm Willie G. This is Charged Up, and until next time, peace.